test?
I got a 98.
What? I only got a 72.
Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe the next test will be easier.
I got this nice flip phone, guys. Look at it. It's got calls, the camera.
Oh.
On it, just so I don't lose it.
Hold on, guys. I'll catch up with you in a sec. Okay.
That's so cool.
Cash or credit?
Cash.
Alexandra, wait.
What?
You think I don't know what you did?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I saw you and Big J in the staircase, and I know you bought the test answers off of him.
That never happened.
Oh, really? And what's this? Let's make a deal. If you drop AP Physics, then I won't show anyone.
Then I won't be valedictorian.
Yeah, that's kind of the whole point.
I can't do it. It's too hard.
Yes, you can. You are so very capable. There's got to be something else going on here.